Super cool. We got our lynx levelers here, and I don't know what happened. I think maybe they kind of froze together and they were just way too brittle. I don't know, we lost like 3 of them though.
Because of the cold?
Because of the cold, possibly?
This one's still good. This one's still good.
That's kind of a bummer.
It's like a halfer right there.
Halfy. Well, good to know, and they don't like cold weather. New camera, who dis?
Stop at good old Casco.
Well, we just left our buddy's place here in City Colorado, and now we're heading to one of our favorite camp spots. It's really high on our list. Good old Wally World. Are you excited?
Do I look excited?
Yay! As we stated, we have a new camera, and the reason we have this new camera is because we have so far broken 2 Canon G7Xs, and we're kind of sick of them because we keep breaking them, plus they keep having little issues. So we're trying a Sony VZ1. It's like this kind of new vlogging camera. Supposedly it has all these like cool things that you can do. It's super stable. Like, hopefully this works. We should be able to like defocus the background, like blur out the background, so it's just like look cooler. I don't know, but anyways, we hope it looks good. We hope the audio is good. It's a little different setup of a mic, and yeah, that's just life, you know. Stuff breaks. That's part of doing what we do. Later. Rainy.
Looks like a blizzard, but you can't see anything because it's just foggy.
It's really cold.
We can draw pictures in the window.
We're outside of Denver, and we're about to get, I don't know, 8 inches of snow and 15-degree weather.
Should be interesting.
As we're boondocking in a Walmart.
We left our friend's house in the mountains, and we're heading down towards Canon City. Canyon City? I don't know how to say it. Canon? Is it Canon? But it has a tilde over the end.
Canyon.
Canyon City?
Canyon City.
Let's look it up.
Canyon.
The next morning.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know.
We woke to, I don't know, probably like 5 inches of snow, give or take. And by far, this is probably the worst conditions we've stayed in the camper overnight. It was like 15 degrees. We got about 5 inches. We were in a Walmart parking lot, so we were just boondocking. Well, lotdocking. But the trailer held up well. We're still having an issue with our charge controller. We diagnosed it, and it appeared to be the charge controller. So we got a new charge controller. I installed it, but it's still, at this point in time, it's still not charging for some reason. So we got to get that fixed because it's really not nice, not having our batteries charged up.
We're on our way to Canyon City.
Canon.
It's Canyon. I looked it up last night.
Canon City. We survived, and our plan was to kind of chill in the Walmart parking lot till some of the snow could melt, just to make life a little bit simpler. And that seems to be what's going on. The roads seem pretty clear now. So we're gonna hit Costco. I know this is real exciting. Dump our tanks. And then head south. We survived the storm and now we get to have this absolutely beautiful drive. It's pretty amazing just how a light dusting, well it's not really light dusting, like 5 inches of snow just to make everything look so different. It's just a really cool area out here. We're kind of like, I don't know, in the foothills, I guess you'd call it, of the Rockies.
Kind of. We're in like Elizabeth,
Elizabethtown. Elizabethtown?
There's no town. It's just Elizabeth.
Elizabethtown, Colorado.
Oh my god. You never learn how to say anything properly.
No one cares.
Ugh. I care.
Trying to find our camping spot. Epic views. Meeting up with our friends Sean and Allie. Here Then Gone. We'll link their Instagram below if you want to check them out. But they found this great spot. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's really good views, and Melissa is gonna back up the trailer. So let's watch her and see how she does. What do you think?
I think this is pretty good.
So again, if we backed up a little more, our door could land right here.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
Because it's kind of like a ditch right there.
Yeah, we should back up a little more. Like 2 to 3 more feet.
Yeah. Do you think we need blocks on that side? I think we'll be okay.
I think we'll be fine. Okay.
Go for it.
Alright, well, we're just attempting to get set up on this really unlevel ground. It's like a big hill over here, and backing up a travel trailer is a little different than the fifth wheel, so just getting used to it, trying to get my bearings and, you know, manage an unruly dog at the same time. It's always fun. She's been cooped up in the car the whole time and he's super bored. Yeah, so you know, there's always a lot going on when you roll into camp. It's always just a little nerve-wracking when we're disconnecting the trailer on a hill. We don't want it to go rolling away. So always chalking up the wheels. You can't see them on this side because they're on the other side.
Is that good?
Seems good, I guess.
It's only a little sketch.